Hello everyone. Yesterday we did knockout fixture. It is very important topic for board exam. That's why we will do it again. So hope you were understand yesterday, but today we will more clear it how to prepare fixture for knockout tournament. Today's number of teams are 21. So today we will take number of team 21. So steps which is we are already told the followed same. First, number of teams. The number of teams we have 21. Next, number of matches. For that we will use number of team minus 1. It is 21 minus 1 20. 20 matches will play in this tournament. Next, number of round. For number of round we will go with the power of 2. It is 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4 into 2, 8 into 2, 16 and 2, it is 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Its number of rounds are 5 because 32 is the next power of 2 of number of teams. It is very important. Next, number of teams in both halves. Firstly, we will divide the teams into the both halves. For that, we will use n plus 1 divided by 2. Number of team 21 plus 1 divided by 2. Total 11. 11 teams will be in upper half. Here 11 teams are in upper half. Next, for lower half, n minus 1 divided by 2. 21 minus 1 divided by 2, it is 20 divided by 2, 10. In lower half, we have 10 teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, it's number of buys. How many buys are given in this fixture to the teams? Because the number of teams are more. So step we have to follow. Buys in upper half. Number of buys total. Next power of 2 is 32 minus 21. Number of teams 21. It is 11. So number of buys we have 11. Then now distribution of buys. Buys in upper half. For buys, that is n b minus 1 divided by 2. It is for upper half. Number of buys 11 minus 1 divided by 2. It is 10 divided by 2, 5. Total 5 buy will go in upper half. After that, lower half, it is n b plus 1 divided by 2. It is 11 plus 1 divided by 2, 12, 6. Total by we have 11. 5 will go in upper half, 6 will go in lower half. Now coming into the next quarters. How to divide in the quarters to the team. Total we have 21 teams. So we will divide by 4. It is 5 for the 20. 20 teams are divided 5, 5. One team is left. So that is 5 plus 5 plus 5, 20. Then one team is left that will go into the first quarter. So total 6 teams are there in first quarter. 6, 5, 5, 5. 15 plus 6, it is total 21. If the number of teams are 2 extra after dividing, then one extra team will go into the first quarter or second extra team will go into the third quarter to equalize the number of teams and distribution of byes in the proper manners. Now we will come into the fixture. So this is the 21 teams. We are divided into the two half. Now we will divide into the quarter. So first 6, then 7 to 11, second quarter, then 12 to 16, and then 17 to 21. It is in fourth quarter. That is first, second, third or fourth quarter. Half we are already divided. After that, rounds. We will start from the round number 1. In first round, before that, we will distribute the byes. How many byes will go into the upper half and lower half. So first bye will goes to last team of lower half. Second bye will go to first team of upper half. Third bye will go to first team of lower half, and fourth will go to last team of upper half. Next, the same procedure we will follow from lower, that is fifth bye, sixth bye, and bye number 7, or it is bye number 8. 8 byes are to be given. Then again we will come there. First bye, with that second bye, bye number 10, and then last bye number 11. So total 5 byes are to be given in upper half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are given into the lower half. So in first round, these teams, those who had got byes, they will not play their first round. They will directly reach to the second round. Rest of the team will play their match against each other. So first match, so match number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this team will directly enter into the second round, those who had got byes. Total 5 matches are played into the first round. It means 5 teams will be eliminated from the first round, and next we will go to the round number 2. So this team will enter directly into the second round. Winner of this match will go to the second round. Here winner of this match and winner of this match will play their match here, and these are directly entered into the second round. Winner of this match and the team which has got bye, or these both team has got bye. It is round number 2. Now all teams will play their matches continuously from the round 2. The match 5 matches already played. Match number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So now round number 3. This team, winner of these matches will play their round. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here in first round 5 teams had played their first match and 5 teams are eliminated. 5 teams are eliminated from 21. Total number of teams had left 16. 8 matches, 8 teams had eliminated. Then 4 matches, 8 teams. Now round number 4. Winner of this match and winner of this match will play their this is the semi-final stage, this is quarter-final stage. Top 8 team will play against each other. Quarter-final stage, top 4 teams are played against each other, that is semi-final stage. After that, final. Winner of this match, round number 5, and winner of this match will play against each other. Here we have final match. Total number of teams 21. Number of matches 20. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. This is final 20. Total number of teams 21. Total number of boys 11. 5 in upper half, 6 in lower half. So team which has got bye, they will not play their first round. They will enter into the second round directly. From there they will continue play their match against their opponent. So this is our knockout fixture. It is completed now. If you have any doubt, you can ask or you can message me. Thank you.